Now, moving on to the latest in the US-Canada trade. Canada's energy exports have surged at the end of 2024, pushing its trade surplus with the United States to the highest level in over 2 years. But with President Trump back in the White House, new tariff threats could shake up North America's trade. Now, according to Statistics Canada, the country's trade surplus with the United States reached approximately $77.7 billion in December, which is the highest since June 2022. A weaker Canadian dollar and rising oil prices fueled an 11.8% surge in crude exports in the final quarter. For the first time in 10 months, Canada's overall trade balance has shifted to a surplus of $494 million, reversing approximately $610 million deficit the previous month. So what does this mean for the consumers? Well, this signals a strong energy sector, but looming US tariffs could also lead to higher prices on essential goods. Meanwhile, trade numbers in the US tell a completely different story. The US trade deficit has ballooned to $918.4 billion in 2024, which is a 3-year high and a 17% increase from the previous year as imports have outpaced exports. The goods deficit with China alone has touched a staggering $295 billion, surpassing the combined deficits with Canada and Mexico. Now, Trump recently announced more tariffs on major U.S. trading partners, including Canada and Mexico, but later delayed them for a month while negotiations continue. His administration has cited trade imbalances and border security concerns as the key justifications. Now, these potential tariffs could drive up cost for consumers while also creating challenges for the Canadian exporters. Accordingly, the financial markets are reacting. The stock markets have fluctuated as tariffs on Chinese goods take effect, prompting some swift retaliation from Beijing. Now, analysts have warned about the ongoing uncertainty could lead to increased inflation and economic volatility in 2025. Canada is actively seeking alternative markets to reduce reliance on the United States, while trade discussions still remain ongoing. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.